In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your bank account to your Binance account, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. This process will make your transactions smoother and save you time in the future. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Binance.com and log in using your credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged in, look to the top right of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu where you need to select the option labeled Account, and then click on Payment. Now that you're in the payment settings, you'll see various options. You're going to want to focus on the P2P tab, so click on that. P2P stands for peer-to-peer, and this section is critical because it's where you will manage your payment methods, particularly bank account linking. Next, you should see a button that says Add Payment Method. Click on this button to start linking your bank account. A list will pop up, and you'll need to choose your bank from the options provided. It's important to select the correct name for your bank to avoid any issues down the line. Once you've selected your bank, you'll be prompted to enter your bank account details. This typically includes your account name, your account number or IBAN, and any other necessary information that's requested. Double check to make sure all the details are correct, as errors can cause delays in the verification process. After you've triple-checked your information, click on the Confirm button to proceed. Now, if your bank supports online verification, you'll see an option to click Verify. Follow the prompts and log into your bank account to complete the verification directly online. If your bank doesn't offer online verification, don't worry. In that case, Binance may send small test deposits to your account. Wait for those deposits and then enter the exact amounts back on Binance to confirm your account. Once those details are verified, you'll receive a confirmation that your bank account is linked. This means you're all set to start making deposits and withdrawals directly from your Binance account, which can significantly streamline your trading and transaction processes. Congratulations, you've now successfully linked your bank account to your Binance account, and hopefully everything went smoothly. Remember, if you have any issues or questions, Binance has a comprehensive help section that might aid you further. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!